In this video, let's show beginners on how to earn Amazon affiliate commission by promoting home DIY products without a website. A website can come later, and it will further increase the earning and use it for other DIY affiliate offers. You don't need it now, but if you want, you can register a brandable domain by visiting the first link below. For those wanting to move forward without a website, YouTube is the perfect place to get started if you have the expertise. For most home DIY products, they are categorized under a specific section, offering about a 3% commission. While not the highest commission rate compared to other programs, Amazon has the best conversion rate, and you earn commissions from other items customers may add to their cart. You can also increase your earnings as you get invited for special commission bump opportunities. For those just starting, don't worry about this yet. Setting up an Amazon affiliate account is straightforward with almost no barriers to entry, unlike other programs such as Home Depot. Simply visit the Amazon Associates homepage and click Join Now for free. Fill out the application. Provide details about your website or social media channels where you'll promote Amazon products. Avoid spamming links, cloaking Amazon links, or including affiliate links in email marketing, and you will be fine. In the home DIY niche, your primary task is to create content while using the tools, focusing on one area. If, for example, you are an expert in caulking, then concentrate on anything related to seals. Your niche, in this case, is teaching people how to seal things and prevent leakage in various structures. Since this is a visually engaging topic, you can create original content while working for someone or on projects you can do at home. The best results come from creators who already have work lined up in their town, giving them access to a variety of problems to solve, which presents an opportunity to film this content. Do not pursue this niche if you lack the expertise or access to problems to film the process. Originality in the home DIY niche performs well on YouTube since people prefer watching than reading. Sharing your personal experiences, DIY project tutorials, and brief product reviews will do the selling for you. Always demonstrate the product on camera so viewers can understand its value. The cool aspect of the home DIY niche is that unusual items can often be repurposed in ways people already envision in their mind. When titling your videos, ensure most are search-based to attract evergreen traffic in the future. While there may be odd home DIY projects that no one searches for, but when people see them, they immediately understand their purpose. In such cases, aim for YouTube browser traffic after you gain some traffic. The YouTube algorithm will promote such videos, even with unusual titles, to find a new audience on the platform. For example, an air blower typically used for clearing leaves in the fall can also clean roof gutters. There are many things a DIY enthusiast considers, and your content can spark their creativity. The key is to demonstrate how they work on video and include a simple call to action, such as I've left a link below where you can find a good deal, or I got this on Amazon during the Black Friday sale, and if you've just moved into a new home, you gotta have this thing to get through the winter. Something like that. Your content can be a faceless channel with voiceovers, or you can make it personal by showing all the home DIY tricks on camera. Take a look at this outdoors niche I've experimented with. I promoted a tool in every video, but the content were entirely about something else. Once your content is ready, just search for the product you want to link to, create the affiliate link using the new Site Stripe tool, copy the link, and paste it in the video description or pin it as a comment so it's visible to people right away for them to click. Remember, more clicks means more affiliate cookies stacked. They may convert now or they may convert later. Your video is running 24/7 on YouTube, so you're going to get paid, trust me. So when you do this DIY niche, your job is to always directly mention a tool you recommend, telling people to check the link in the description. Another approach is to demonstrate your work and casually mention a tool that has either saved you time or solved a problem, briefly explaining what it does and where to get it. Now, how much money can you make doing this? You can earn significantly if you create quality content without fluff. There are ways to earn easy affiliate commissions on Amazon with less effort, but the home DIY niche is visually intensive, where people want to see results. AI-generated images or videos won't suffice here. To succeed, remember to focus on a unique aspect of the niche and create 40 to 80 videos to attract free traffic. I hope this helps. And if you want more tips on making affiliate commissions on Amazon, please watch this video next.